In this session, we're going to learn about how to sort your data alphabetically or how to sort your data reverse alphabetically. Now, from our previous videos, we had been dealing with this data, and we have applied filters on it in a previous sessions. Now, there is a trick involved over here by which we can sort the data alphabetically or reverse alphabetically right from the filters. And all we need to do is click on this drop boxes over here and select sort A to Z. This will sort it alphabetically, or sort Z to A. This will sort it reverse alphabetically. So clicking on sort A to Z, you can see now the whole data has been formatted alphabetically with the brown individual coming at top, Johnson coming at second, and so forth. Now, there's one thing to be noted about the whole concept is that this is our previous cut of the data, and since brown appeared right over here, it isn't just the brown word that would be promoted to the second row over here. It will be all of the row concerning it that would be eventually promoted up. And if you have brown over here also, again it won't be just this brown word that would be promoted, but the whole row that would be promoted upstairs. Now this is just look closely. Brown has a data value of 4865, and here brown has a data value of 3255. So sorting up, you can see these two values have appeared over here. So this is the true power of sorting up your data alphabetically. And what if you wanted the whole thing to be done reverse alphabetically? That could also be done if you were to click on sort Z to A. So there you go. Now we have the data sorted reverse alphabetically with Williams taking up the top seat. And it's not just applicable to the last name itself. We can say select country also, select A to Z, and we will have the whole thing sorted up alphabetically. So since UK appears alphabetically before USA, that is the reason UK data has appeared at the top. And we can apply the same thing on quarter also. Reverse alphabetically sorting the quarter column produces quarter 4 first, then 3, then 2, and then 1. So this is about sorting up your data using filters applied to your data. Thank you for watching.